So let's discuss a simple problem from GATE 2021 physics. This is from electromagnetic theory. So it is related to the matter wave function would be given for that matter wave, and we need to find direction of propagation, unit vector in the direction of propagation. So the problem is as follows. A matter wave is represented by the wave function. So this is the wave function. This is the matter wave which is represented in the form of a wave function. So here we can see xi of x comma y comma z comma t is equals to a e power I into 4x plus 3y plus 5z minus 10 pi t, where a is a constant. So here a is a constant one. The unit vector representing the direction of propagation of this matter wave is. So now we need to find the unit vector in the direction of propagation of this matter wave, the direction where in which direction the wave propagates. That means, so we know, for example, if we consider an electromagnetic wave, so electric field vector will be in some particular direction, and magnetic field in the same manner, magnetic field vector would be in perpendicular to this electric field vector. So this is magnetic field vector, but the wave would be propagated perpendicular to both of them. That means in this towards us, like that. That is, this is the direction of propagation of wave, which is given by a wave vector. So k is nothing but wave number, we can say, or wave vector. In general, it is a propagation constant, like that. So this direction gives us the direction of propagation of the wave, propagation vector, we can say, or pointing vector also we can say. So it is actually the wave number. Actually k means wave number, but here it is direction of propagation of wave, in which direction the wave propagates. So we are asked to find this only. So here you can say representing the direction of a unit vector representing direction of propagation of this matter wave. So we need to find in which direction this matter wave is propagating, unit vector. That means only unit vector, that means only giving direction, not magnitude. So that one we need to find out. So here we can see, so this was given in the question, xi of x comma y comma z comma t a e power I 4x plus 3y plus 5z minus 10 pi t. So this one is of the form this. Xi is also a e power I into k dot r minus omega t. So this is k dot r. This entire thing is k dot r, and this is omega t, k dot r minus omega t. So omega is nothing but 10 pi from this diagram. In a similar fashion, k dot r. So this is nothing but k dot r. So that is nothing but 4x plus 3y plus 5z. And we know that r is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So this is the position vector in general we would have. So here k is nothing but, so 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. That means if we do dot product between this k and r, we are going to get this one. So easily we can see that there is x, y, z, that is related to the position vector, and other than it, what is the remaining thing? Remaining thing is nothing but 4, 3, 5 plus all are 5 plus. So we can easily find out k. So k is nothing but 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap based on this formula. So we have finally found this wave vector, propagation vector. So now we need to find unit vector. Unit vector, for any vector, the unit vector is nothing but, suppose a is a vector, so unit vector for this is nothing but vector a by magnitude of a, so which gives us information only about the direction. So that is nothing but here k vector divided by magnitude of k, that is nothing but unit vector in direction of propagation. So this is the k vector, 4I cap plus 3 j cap plus 5 k cap. So magnitude of this k vector is nothing but square root of this 4 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. So we are just finding the magnitude. So that is nothing but 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 5 square 25. All put together we get 25 plus 25, which is another 50, square root of 50. That means 25 into 2, that is 5 root 2. So again we need to distribute this among all. So 4 by 5 root 2, 3 by 5 root 2, 5 by 5 root 2. 5 would get cancelled and 1 by root 2 would be remaining. So finally this is our required wave vector, unit vector. So the correct option is, so here 4 by 5 root 2, 3 by 5 root 2, 1 by root 2. So option A is the correct one, 4, 3, 1. So 4, 3, 1, 5 by root 2. So this is our required wave vector in this case. So thank you.